Welcome back to RC Buddy. Welcome back to another edition of RC Weekly. And so for this week, we're going to go ahead and get started with Arrma. And it was only a matter of time before we actually saw an Arrma Gorgon 223s version be announced from Arrma. Gotta say, nice to see. It took them quite a while to get to this point, but we're finally here. And so let's talk about it a little bit. So from the looks of this, it's basically going to be the same truck as the Arrma Quake. So if you're already familiar with that, you're going to be very familiar with this newer Arrma Gorgon 223s. Big things though, so we'll just kind of start off with the obvious stuff. New paint schemes on the bodies. So you're getting a pink, a newer version blue, and a newer version red. Gotta say, I like that hot pink a lot. I think it looks really good. Just pops, you know. As far as the other thing about the body, it is the same Lexan body shell, and it is, I think, like 0.5 millimeter thick, or like 0.5 millimeters. So it is a little bit flimsy. It's not going to be as tough as the Arrma Quake body, so that's a bit of a bummer, but you do get a new paint scheme. And shout out to DoRC. He did a breakdown and a comparison between the Gorgon and the Quake, and come to find out, the Quake, or the Gorgon body and the Quake bodies, are not interchangeable. They actually have a different shock tower or body mount post up front on this newer Gorgon. So these bodies are not interchangeable. I guess they got like a different pin system also. So just keep that in mind. There are some minor differences. Otherwise, the power system is going to be the same. 4,000 kV motor, still blistering fast, just like the Quake. Can probably do 50, 55 plus with the right battery. And let's talk about, so we got the body, same color match wheels and tires. The same Quake tires that we see are now here on the Gorgon. They got foams inside of them. Overall, just general good bashing tire. But what do you guys think? It's going for $259.99 on Horizon Hobbies, available for pre-order. Looks like it's going to be coming out sometime next month in June. Also too, they do have an exclusive deal on this guy, which I thought was really surprising. So if you buy the pink one from Horizon Hobbies, it's going to come with a 4,000 milliamp 2S battery and a battery charger with it, which is one of those USB style. But I wanted to mention it because, one, smart batteries, Spectrum smart batteries, are pretty expensive, to say the least. And then that charger that they're including, I think, is like a $25 to $30 charger. I actually have one in my toolbox behind me. And I got to tell you, it's not like the regular like cheapo charger. This one is actually like pretty decent. The only thing that it doesn't have is it doesn't have like a discharge feature on it. But if you're using a smart battery, the discharging is already built into the battery pack with the little PCB board that they have inside. So you don't have to worry about like cooking your batteries by leaving it like overcharged for too long. So all that's to say, I think at $259.99, that's pretty appealing package, really. Like getting a nice, decent charger and a pretty decent 4,000 milliamp battery. I don't know. What do you guys think? Overall, like I said, it's just really, anytime there's a new Arrma Gorgon or Quake like update, it's like my favorite thing. Like, this is still one of my all-time favorite platforms. I still bash that Quake and the Gorgon like weekly. So always nice to see. All right, and next up for Team Associated, we've got a new kit that they're releasing, and this one is the TC28 Team Kit. So 1/28 scale on-road racing. And man, taking a look at the pictures of this guy, I haven't seen a belt-driven 4x4 like car in a long time. Obviously, like I don't spend a lot of time in on-road vehicles like this, but what a kit, man. Price coming in at $329.99. I'm not even gonna pretend that I know all the upgrades on this thing. In fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and put up a list of features here on the screen for you to see that comes inside of this kit. Keep in mind, this is a kit, no electronics or anything like that. You're gonna have to provide your own. But if you're into 1/28 scale on-road racing, this might be the kit for you. And next up from Maverick RC, we're getting a new line of short course trucks and buggies called the QByte line. So these are 1/12 scale, kind of like competitors with like the Arrma Grom and like the mini slashes and mini stuff from Traxxas. Really cool to see. I don't know what the prices are looking like on these guys yet. They were just announced today, which is Thursday the 14th. But like I said, it looks like it's going to be a whole new line. So this isn't the microbe stuff where it's like 1/24 scale. This is 1/12 scale QByte. But really nice, kind of HPI, or Maverick is like an offshoot of HPI, so definitely some quality there. It's going to look very much like HPI type stuff. The short course truck I'm really interested in. So same thing with the buggy. There's going to be two versions. There's going to be the Flex version, which is like the RTR, and then there's going to be the Pro version, which I think is called Pro. I don't know why I'm forgetting right now. Anyways, there's probably going to be a price difference between them. The Pro, I guess, is going to be a little bit faster. You're going to have like a higher spin motor or higher KV motor. Should be able to do 50 miles an hour. At least that's what it says down in the features. But really nice to see. It does definitely look like a Mojave Grom competitor. Body dimensions are kind of similar. I went and looked at the actual dimensions to compare. And so the Mojave Grom is roughly around like 13 inches in length. This QByte short course truck is going to be about 1 inch longer. So that kind of puts it like almost square in the middle between like a mini slash and the Mojave Grom. So kind of interesting to see. But yeah, I'll be curious once the prices get released on this guy. I'm sure it'll pop up on Amain Hobbies since they got their exclusive deal with them. But nice, always nice to see. I like to see, you know, new competition in this space for sure. And this next update, let's go ahead and stick with Amain Hobbies. I meant to update you guys on this a couple weeks ago, but there's been a change to the coupon codes that are at Amain Hobbies now. Usually I put those coupon codes down in the description, which I have them down in the description of this video also. But the tiers have changed. So there is the $5 coupon if you spend up to $50 or spend over $50, get $5 off. The one that's missing though nowadays is they used to have a $10 off when you spend $100. That one is now gone in favor of the $15 off when you spend $150. But then they also added a new coupon code, which is 550. If you spend 500 or 550, something like that, then you get $50 off. So they got like this kind of higher tier like coupon code now. So if you spend and buy like one of the really large scale models, you can save up to $50 if it's not coupon code restricted. Figured you guys should know about that. It was a change. They actually changed it this month in May. I know that I would imagine that $10 one was pretty popular. You get it to $100, you get free shipping and $10 off. It was a pretty good deal. But that is now gone. But if you're interested in the other coupon codes, you can find those down in the description, where I keep those for you guys on every episode of RC Weekly. So let's go and get to the next update. All right, just a quick reminder, anybody that's watching this video, if you're getting value out of this RC Weekly, if you don't mind, just go ahead and check that you're subscribed to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Still trying to make that push towards 5,000 subs by sometime this time next year, I think. I think we're on track, so we're making good progress. But if you could just go ahead and double check, make sure you're subscribed. I would love to have you as part of the team. Also, too, speaking of team, I want to give a shout out to my channel members. Appreciate you guys very much. And with that, let's go ahead and get to the final update. All right, and next up is Proline. This is what I'm going to headline RC Weekly, this episode of RC Weekly after, because this is a big deal. So I appreciate you if you stuck around so far through the episode. So first up from Proline, we got the pre-cut pulse clear body for the Traxxas / clipless system. That's a big deal. That's worthy of headlining an entire episode of RC Weekly for. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the actual first aftermarket body to be set up to handle or use the Traxxas clipless system for your Traxxas Slash. Coming in at $39.99. Let's take a look at some of the dimensions. So it's not, you know, terribly different, or it's not like a big difference from the stock Slash body, but in my opinion, it's always nice to have options. And honestly, since the clipless system has come along, it's been kind of like hard pressed. Like if you want to use a different aftermarket body, generally you got to go get like some different like Proline mounts or something like that. But it's nice to actually see this use the stock clipless system. So just like we saw a couple weeks ago with the Rustler, now the Traxxas Slash is getting its own body. And so kind of looking at it, it's a little bit more like race inspired. Kind of reminds me of like the I think it's like the Flow SC, or like, I can't remember the name of that one. I got a body behind me. It kind of looks like this, but definitely a little bit more like race inspired. It's kind of lower slung to the ground. It has the big hood scoop, but you can see here where it fits that stock Slash body system, clipless system, kind of fits right in here. And then I think these pictures, they actually do show, yeah, see kind of how it mounts, fits in here. You got to like specifically mold that Lexan to fit that. And then here's the back side, which is cool. And then I do think they show the underneath, so you can see how the clipless bracket kind of mounts up under here. Fits as almost as if like it was stock, which is great. So yeah, good stuff here from Proline. I've been waiting for something like this for a long time. It's been like years, and now we're starting to see stuff from J Concepts, stuff from Proline starting to trickle in, which is always nice. Okay, so next one. Limited edition pre-cut body for your Arrma mini Kraton. They're still on a roll with the mini Kratons, man. Like just cranking these things out. Another limited edition body, pre-painted, very nice looking. I like that color scheme a lot. And then we got a couple more bodies here for your Lozy Micro T and Micro B. These are the pre-cut Crowd Pleaser Templeman bodies. Nice, like those. And also getting a new set of mini tires for your mini crate. It looks like some sand paddles. And then this one is also a big deal. So like before I found out about this slash body, I was gonna make a big deal about these shocks. So the Arrma Quake and the Arrma Gorgon, the 10 scale versions, are also getting upgraded shock packages from Proline, which is really nice to see. It's like they're kind of like putting a lot of force or a lot of like support behind that platform, being that how popular it is. It's nice to see that we're going to get some Power Stroke shocks for them. So if we go ahead and click on these at $39 a pair, or 40 bucks, not too bad really for a set of like Power Stroke shocks. And honestly, like, it's pretty nice, man. Like threaded body shocks, aluminum caps, 40 bucks. These shocks in particular will fit the front of your Quake and Gorgon, or fit all four corners of your Arrma Fury if you got one of those. So really nice to see for 40 bucks. Kind of curious about these. I may end up picking these up at some point. They do come with some 3 different types of springs, which is cool. So if you're doing some shock tuning, which I'm going to get into that about this slash behind me and talking about specific shock tuning and how much of an effect it has. Nice to see that we're finally going to get that for our Arrma Furies, our Arrma Quake, and Arrma Gorgons. So man, I feel like I've been rambling a lot on this Proline section, but this is like one of my favorite sites to check every week, and they got some really, really good stuff. I mean, if you even go down, they got the Rock Tech system. They've been releasing like a lot of really cool stuff this month. So shout out to Proline. I'm happy with this stuff, man. Especially these shocks and then that Traxxas slash body. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And I think that's it for updates. Go ahead and get to the sales. All right, let's save some cash. So we got a new sale this week from Horizon Hobbies, but it's not any off-road vehicles. It's boats. This sale is called Wake Your Summer Sale. And if you're looking to get into RC boats, or if you're already into boats, they got a bunch of stuff on sale this week. And so I won't name all of these, but go ahead and check them out. Some of these are pretty low prices. I actually have this little 9-inch jet boat on the shelf behind me. I use it in the swimming pool. It's like really fun. But yeah, a lot of cool boats on here. I've always liked this one, this Jetstream jet boat. I always thought this guy was really cool, and I don't think I've seen it at that low a price before. Obviously, I don't have this in the RC price tracker dashboard, but I think that's a pretty low price just from like watching it from my peripheral, I guess. Also on this sale too, they do have an assortment of different batteries and chargers if you want to check those out. If you don't already have a battery and charger, or you're looking to pick up a smart battery charger system, they got this guy up here for 95 bucks. And then they got some other stuff. They got some batteries down here if you want to take a look at those. And then this charger system. So this is actually the same charger that we were talking about at the beginning of this episode that's coming with that new Gorgon. You can see here it's 40 bucks. It's this charger and then the power brick, or the power supply brick that comes with it. The one with the Gorgon, I don't think comes with the power supply brick, so you'll have to have your own like battery charger like you would use for your cell phone or something like that. But you could see here, pretty decent system to come in the box with an Arrma Gorgon, I think. But that's going to be it for this sale. It's lots of boats and batteries and chargers. Let's go and hop over to Traxxas. They got the same sales going. They got the Traxxas Mini Slash been on sale now for well over a month. They're probably, I don't know, maybe they're trying to clear these things out. But anyways, price coming in at 220 bucks or $400 for 2 mini slashes. Got the Mini Rally on sale also down for $389.95, and then you get a free set of wheels and tires included, $50 value. And then the last sale from Traxxas here is the Nissan Pathfinder, $50 off. Also includes a free battery and charger, which is always nice to see. And then Team Associated still has their spring cleaning sale going on. I'm just gonna breeze through these guys. They got the Bushidos on sale. They got the Ectos, the Nissan Zs, the Apex Sports. I've been hammering these out for months. The Enduro Comp Fox kit, which I don't think the Cattleman is back in stock yet. So this BOGO's effectively canceled, I think. And then a couple other items here. They got the SR7 rollers and the Almost Ready to Run. I know this is like a super duper good sale. This car right here, I don't know, I don't think I mentioned this. So this Almost Ready to Run is like a heck of a nice package. Comes with all the electronics minus the ESC for 325 bucks. This exact Almost Ready to Run at Amain Hobbies is $490. So heck of a savings here on this guy. But that's going to be pretty much it for the sales, guys. Hope you guys got something out of this. Let's go ahead and get to the scratch and dent. Alright, welcome to what used to be my favorite section, Scratch and Dent. So this week at Amain Hobbies, we don't have a whole lot. We got a NASCAR up here, it's 8% off down to $183.99, which really isn't that low of a price considering they were at $167 not that long ago, or they might still be. And they got the Traxxas Slash on here. This one is an XL5 version down to $213.99, about 7% off. And then they got a Losi LMT 2.0 Gravedigger, about 3% off, that $727.99. But this one, we need to talk about Tower Hobbies because we got some new stuff on Tower Hobbies. So if you made it this far, we'll finally have some deals. Okay, so they still got the Arrma Furies on here. We're going to skip on past these. So got some new stuff. Got the Super Baja Ray 2.0 on sale, Scratch and Dent for $749.99, and I want to talk about that one specifically. So let's go take a look at the dashboard real quick because I want to say that might be the all-time lowest price. What is this called? Super Baja Ray. Okay. Super. Let's go ahead and search it real quick. Yeah, right here. So we want to look at the. It's not the King one. I think it is this one. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So 750 is like absolute like rock bottom price. Looking at like regular U.S. online retailers, lowest price we've ever seen on this guy, Amain Hobbies, was $800. So come back here from Tower Hobbies, $750. That's a pretty good deal. That's not bad. Like we actually found one, guys. We actually found something on Scratch and Dent. It's been weeks. But yeah, this is a good deal right here from Tower Hobbies Scratch and Dent. Keep in mind, take advantage of Scratch and Dent from Tower Hobbies. Got to be a Super Saver Club member. It costs you $10. And then we got here too another new edition. Got the SCX6 Trail Honcho for $889.99, and then there's also the SCX6 Jeep JLU for $889.99. Not bad. A few new additions, but yeah, that Super Baja Ray. Nice, dude. Like that actually is like rock bottom price here. So we did it. We found something. So I hope you guys got something out of this episode. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.